To create wall opening, select any of the wall in 3D view. Then click on Section View. Then open Front View. Now select the Edit Profile tool from the Mode panel. Then start creating wall openings using Draw tools as per project requirements. Remember, wall openings should be a closed profile, no crossing of lines, but you can create multiple openings. Here we go, our wall openings are created. Close the section box. I have already created main opening for our structure, as well as I have added kitchen hall entrance and wall opening for kitchen, with proper dimensions. Go to Application menu, open New Family, then open Metric Profile. Remember to check units. Create a closed profile using Line Tools from Detail panel. Save the family, and click on Load into the project. Open 3D View, Wall Sweep, and Wall Reveal, will activate only in elevation or 3D view. Go to Home tab, Wall drop down and select Wall Sweep. In the Properties palette, click Edit Type and open Type Properties box. Duplicate the sweep type, click OK. Under Construction, select the profile we created. Place it on the wall, where we created opening. Adjust the length. Now apply material. Make adjustments, if you want. Let's learn another method. Similarly, I have created a skirting profile. Now load it into project. Select any of the wall, go to its type properties. Change preview to view to section. Click on Sweeps. Click Add. Select the profile from the list. Specify material for the sweep. For distance, enter 0 and select the side interior. Select Cut Wall, if you want the sweep to cut geometry out of the host wall. Select Cuttable if the sweep should be cut by wall inserts. Click Apply to see the changes in the preview. Click OK. Here we go, the sweep is added. If you want to change scale, go to Profile Editing and change scale. As you can see, I made some changes for better visuals. Using same method, I have added sweep to both sides. Here you select exterior, so that you can add sweep to both sides. And here is the rendered view.